So I brought a second camera because this one, which is a Hero 10, keeps shutting off when it gets too hot. I'm too hot, I can't work anymore. So I brought a second camera, but I forgot because the latch is broken. So I forgot tape to bring it. And then I remember I had bandages in my tackle bag. So all I have to do, as long as it's not in front of the screen, we're good. I use a bandage to keep the back closed like that. Alright, I'll use the other one on the other side. This, yes. Yep. Gimme. Been in there a long time, so. Okay, I'll use the other bandage on this side. Oh. Like this. Right? And then this will mount where that one is, right? Throw it on the leg. Oh no, it's still recording. It's good. Yep. Look, kids. This one won't shut off because this is a Hero 4. Hero 4 is not going to shut off because it gets too hot. And look, it's working. Yay. Bye, Hero 10.